The brakes on your new UPWalker have been preset from the factory. Due to normal use, over time you may need to make adjustments to maintain this setting. You can adjust the brakes by making the following adjustments at either brake handle position. In addition, you may adjust the brakes at each of the rear wheels. Before attempting to adjust the brakes, ensure that the parking brake is disengaged. If the parking brake is too loose and you would like to tighten it, use fingers or pliers to loosen the small adjustment screw and use a 10mm or 13/32 wrench to loosen the larger nut located closest to the brakes. Then turn the adjustment screw a half rotation, counterclockwise. Continue to turn the adjustment screw a half rotation at a time until you have adjusted your brakes to the desired tension. Once you are finished, make sure that the larger locking nut is turned clockwise tight against the housing to prevent the screw from loosening. You will use your 10mm wrench on the nut that is closest to the black plastic to tighten and secure the brake. If your brakes are too tight, use fingers or pliers to loosen the small adjustment screw using a 10mm or 13/32 wrench. Loosen the larger nut closest to the brake handle by turning it clockwise. If this does not correct the problem, repeat turning the adjustment screw a half rotation at a time until you have adjusted your brakes.